From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, Central Pennsylvania. I'm student meteorologist Ben Reppert here with your forecast. And while spring officially begins this Friday, we're not going to be feeling like it. We are getting a wintry reminder from Mother Nature. And the same goes for today. While it looks beautiful outside, and it is, sunshine, a few fair weather clouds, it is very cold. 36 degrees the current temperature right now in State College, a good 10 degrees below average for the afternoon high standards. It feels even colder though, 25, because winds are out of the northwest sustained at 18 miles an hour. So definitely a blustery January or February-like day for the Central Pennsylvania standards. Across the center region, temperatures generally in the 30s, a few spots making it into the 40s this afternoon. That holds statewide, ranging from 29 up in Bradford and the Northwest Plateau down to 42, or up to 42 in Harrisburg and Philadelphia. Everybody running well below average this afternoon. And while we won't really be staying this cold during the next couple of days, we're not getting in on any extended warmth either. So that's the bad news. Compared to this time yesterday, much chillier, especially off to our east, some 20 to 30 degrees colder than it was this time yesterday across the mid-Atlantic and parts of the Northeast. The next big thing on our slate to talk about is Friday, where we should be seeing some accumulating snow for a good part of the state. By early Friday morning, snow works in from the west. This is future weather, and you can see for the morning rush in central and western Pennsylvania, could be talking about some snow, light to moderate, maybe mixed with a little bit of rain across the far southern tier. And going through the day, that continues as it spreads east through the Susquehanna Valley, the Poconos, the Lehigh Valley, even down towards Philadelphia. You could be seeing some snow out of this mixed with some rain. So while we won't be seeing a massive storm out of this for late March standards, this does certainly complicate the forecast. So north of the Turnpike, we're thinking wet snow for Friday. Snow mixed with rain down across the southern tier of Pennsylvania, where temperatures will be a little bit warmer to support an all-snow event. There are some factors going into this that keep the forecast complicated. At least for parts of the state, air temperatures will be near or above freezing, so that could hinder accumulation for some. It's more of a daylight event, especially for the majority of the event, so it could cut down on the accumulations, at least on the paved surfaces. And it's generally going to be light to moderate snow, although if we do see some of those heavier snow bursts, that could aid in some additional accumulation. So keep checking back with us here at the Campus Weather Service for more specific snowfall amounts. These are just some of the things that are going into this complicated forecast for Friday. Overnight, partly cloudy skies will be with us, so will the cold. 20 degrees for the overnight low. Normal lows are more in the upper 20s. So below that, northwesterly winds begin to calm down at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And here's the 7-day. 44 for Thursday as we bid farewell to winter. Friday, that light accumulation of snow, temperatures crash down to the 30s. Saturday, back up to 50, a brief break from the cold, but then we go right back in at Sunday and Monday with sunshine. Our next chance of precipitation comes mid-next week in the form of rain with temperatures in the 40s by Wednesday.